Hey guys, today we're taking you to Lake Geneva, Wisconsin, a perfect spot for a quick day trip filled with adventure, relaxation, and stunning views. Whether you love nature, history, or just a fun day out, this place has it all. Let's dive into the 7 must do things when you visit Lake Geneva. First up, Riviera Beach. Start your day here with soft sand and crystal clear water, making it ideal for swimming, sunbathing, or simply relaxing by the lake. It's a popular spot for families, and if you're here with kids, they'll love it. After your beach time, you can quickly head over to downtown for a snack or a refreshing drink. Plus, the views of the lake from here are simply breathtaking, especially as the sun sets. Now let's talk about the famous Lake Geneva Shore Path. This 21-mile trail circles the entire lake and takes you past some of the most beautiful and historic estates. It's been used for centuries, starting with Native Americans and later used by settlers. Today, it's a peaceful walk where you can enjoy grand homes like the Wrigley Estate and the Black Point Estate. As you walk, you'll be surrounded by stunning lake views and gardens, making it a unique way to experience Lake Geneva's natural beauty. As you walk the path, you will encounter breathtaking views of the lake and the gardens of these private estates. Some of the most notable properties include the famous Wrigley Estate, owned by the family behind the Wrigley Chewing Gum Company, and the Black Point Estate, a Victorian mansion that is now a museum open to the public. While walking, you can marvel at these historic mansions, each with its own unique architectural style and story, all while enjoying the peaceful surroundings of Lake Geneva's natural beauty. The shore path is one of the best ways to immerse yourself in the rich history and architecture of Lake Geneva. The homes along the path have their own stories, and walking this trail gives you a glimpse into the past while enjoying the present-day charm of the area. Next, hop on a Geneva Lake cruise. If you want to see the lake from a different angle, this is the way to go. Whether you opt for a narrated sightseeing cruise or a relaxing dinner cruise, the views from the water are edible, offering a peaceful and scenic way to enjoy the lake. And don't miss the Geneva Lake Mailboat Tour. This is a unique experience where the mail is delivered to lakefront homes by boat without stopping. Watching the mail carriers jump on and off the moving boat is both fun and impressive. Plus, you get a narrative tour of the lake's famous landmarks. After all that, it's time to explore downtown Lake Geneva. The charming streets are lined with boutique shops, cozy cafes, and great restaurants. It's the perfect spot to grab a meal or some coffee after your adventure. Make sure to stop by a local ice cream shop for a sweet treat as you wander through the town. For outdoor lovers, there's plenty to do. You can go kayaking, paddleboarding, or explore the many parks and hiking trails. If you're into golf, Lake Geneva also has some beautiful golf courses with amazing views. There's no shortage of outdoor activities here. Lastly, don't miss the sunset by the lake. Whether you're on the beach or enjoying a sunset cruise, watching the colors change over the lake is magical. It's the perfect way to end your day at Lake Geneva. So, there you have the 7 must do activities at Lake Geneva, from beaches and scenic walks to boat tours and outdoor fun. This place has something for everyone. Be sure to add Lake Geneva to your list of must visit destinations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content.